Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to ObahMech-Autos, the channel that helps you save thousands on car repairs and stay safe on the road. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because the information in today's video could literally save your wallet, or even your life. Now imagine this. You're driving down the highway, music playing, everything feels perfect, and suddenly your car starts making a strange sound. Maybe it's a knock, a loud screech, or a grinding noise that makes you wonder if something is seriously wrong. Most drivers ignore these sounds, until that small problem suddenly becomes a $2,000 to $10,000 repair bill. But here's the truth. Your car always gives warning signs before something goes wrong. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 dangerous sounds your car should never make. If you ever hear any of these sounds, don't ignore them. Let's get started. Sound number 1. Knocking from the engine. The first sound you should never ignore is a knocking sound coming from the engine. If you hear a knocking or tapping noise, especially when accelerating, that's a serious warning sign. This could be caused by low engine oil, poor fuel quality, or internal engine problems. Ignoring this sound can lead to major engine damage and extremely expensive repairs. So if you ever hear knocking from the engine, check your engine oil immediately and have the vehicle inspected by a professional mechanic as soon as possible. Catching the issue early could save your engine. Sound number 2. Screeching when starting the car. The second sound you should never ignore is a loud screeching sound when starting the car. This high-pitched noise is usually caused by a worn or loose serpentine belt. This belt powers several important parts of your car, including the alternator, power steering system, and air conditioning compressor. If this belt breaks while you're driving, you could suddenly lose power steering, or your battery may stop charging. That's why it's always best to replace worn belts before they fail completely. Sound number 3. Grinding when braking. The third sound is a grinding noise when braking. If you press the brake pedal and hear grinding, it usually means your brake pads are completely worn out. At this stage, metal components are rubbing directly against the brake disc. This can cause serious damage to your braking system and increase your stopping distance. Driving with worn brake pads is extremely dangerous. So if you hear grinding when braking, get your brakes checked immediately. Your safety depends on it. Sound number 4. Hissing from the engine. The fourth sound you should never ignore is a hissing sound from the engine area. A hissing sound often indicates a coolant leak or a vacuum leak somewhere in the engine system. This can cause your engine to overheat, lose power, and run inefficiently. If you notice steam or smell coolant while hearing that sound, pull over immediately and turn off the engine. Driving with an overheating engine can destroy it within minutes. Sound number 5. Clunking when changing gears. The fifth and final sound is a clunking noise when shifting gears. If your car makes a clunk or banging sound when changing gears, it may indicate transmission problems. Possible causes include low transmission fluid, worn transmission mounts, or internal gearbox damage. Transmission repairs are some of the most expensive repairs a car owner can face. So identifying the problem early can save you a lot of money. Closing, so remember, if your car ever makes knocking, screeching, grinding, hissing, or clunking sounds, never ignore them. Your car always gives warning signs before something goes wrong, and fixing small issues early can prevent major damage later. If you learned something new from this video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to ObahMech-Autos for more helpful car tips. Also drop a comment below and tell me, what strange sound has your car ever made before? Thanks for watching, and drive safe.